In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view add-ins in Microsoft PowerPoint. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up PowerPoint and select the File tab up in the top left. Go down and select Options on the left panel here. And then on the left side, select Add-ins. And then any installed add-ins should appear over here. And if you want to manage certain add-ins, you can click the drop-down, select which ones you're looking for, and then select Go. And then it will show you available add-ins you can install if you're looking for them. And you just would select Add to install, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.